budget and adapted various were expanded through inclusion of representatives from volunteer groups formed by Kalahi and the participatory board from World Bank. We pilot tested Makamasang Tugon, aware how much IRA my LGU has and are keeping track of how we spend public money.
Bayan, officials and employees of this
CDD is consistent with the policies. Yung discourse na ibigay talaga sa amin, tapos na rin, babalik kami sa dati. Ang kailangan po namin ay hindi lang kami.
Nakamalay na may bulaklak sa dulo o madre nagro-rosal.
Masahe ko lahat ng hindi nyo nasabi dahil nakaprosedur eh. Para wala kayong patubig yata dito. At sabi ko ng doktor, para mamatay yung boses mo. Hindi nalakas ng people power ay may ibang mukha.
Ating nagkakilahok tungo sa kolektibong desisyon at ang kakaisang pang-aksyon, mas mabilis natin natatapos.
And the development workers.
Ready.